it's Daft Scots Lass here, and today I'm talking about the A to Z challenge. Now we're halfway through. Yay! Woohoo! And I've actually had an absolute ball in this challenge. I've met so many new cool bloggers and I'm following a whole bunch more. Last time I think it was 15, now it's something like 25, even more I think. But it's been so awesome. I've come across some really cool people. Awesome! Also, I wanted to talk to you about a competition that's coming up. This competition, I can't tell you too much about it, but I do want to tell you it's going to happen like in about 15 days time after the A to Z challenge, and it's going to be awesome, so you better come back and check it out. It's going to involve one of these babies. Another thing is I went shopping yesterday. Whee! And no, I didn't buy any shoes, you'll be glad to know. I did resist. But I did come across something very cool. It's a Kit Kat, but it's a peanut butter Kit Kat. Now everybody knows that I love chocolate. I'm a complete chocoholic. And since I've been doing the Dukin diet from January, I haven't really been able to eat much chocolate. I did have a couple of mini Cadbury Easter eggs at Easter, but that's about it. I bought this like on a whim, knowing that it would be absolutely fucking awesome. But now I'm thinking twice about it, you know, because the last month that I've been doing the Dukin diet, I haven't lost any weight really. I've lost like half a kilo. Then put a little bit on at Easter because of the chocolates. And I've been sort of a little bit lax with gym and getting to gym every day. I'm actually getting really fucking lazy. So tomorrow is Monday and we start once again. I'm gonna give the Dukin diet a miss for 3, maybe 4 days and give myself a kickstart with a liquid diet again. So it's back onto the liquid fruit and vegetables, mainly just smoothies. See how that goes. If it kickstarts the weight loss again, that's great. Look, if it doesn't, it's just a bit of a break from the Dukin diet. But then once that's done, I'll resume, because I know it works. I need to just get my mind focused again, get back on the rails, because I completely fell off the bus at Easter time. Well, not completely fell off the bus, but you know, eating chocolate is not good for a diet, is it? Also, we just had a good laugh about 10 minutes ago. My youngest daughter, Gillian, has lost her first tooth, so it's great excitement around the house, waiting for the tooth fairy tonight. Her pushing her tongue through a wee space at the bottom of her mouth. Yeah, tooth fairy's gonna visit tonight, and hopefully she'll get some well-earned cash. Or not, just depending, you know. It is quite bloody, so I'm gonna have to go and wash it and give it a wee bit of a polish. Because I don't think the tooth fairy will like a bloody tooth. Oh, I certainly wouldn't like a bloody tooth. Anyway, there's somebody here that wants to show you what's been happening in her life. And here she is. Say hello, Gillian.
Hello.
Hello, Plonkers.
Hello, Plunkers.
And tell them what happened today. She lost her first tooth. And guess who's going to come to visit tonight?
Granny.
No, not Granny. The tooth fairy, silly.
Yes, the tooth fairy.
Yay, the tooth fairy! So that's what's going to happen tonight. Oh well, at least you came and said hello, right?